What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Josh Smith here, aka the Dadtreprenewer, and I'm so excited to bring you guys another video. Today, I'm going to show you, we're going to dive in a little bit deeper into Clickbank and how to set up an offer and how to actually get free traffic to that offer utilizing Facebook. So let's dive in. Okay, so we're going to start here on the affiliate marketplace. If you don't have your Clickbank account yet, go ahead, sign up for it. It's completely free to sign up. If you want to learn a little bit more of the basics, go back and watch the previous video. We dove into signing up for your account and some very beginner type stuff. So we're going to get a little more depth here. So you should be familiar with this. This is the marketplace, right? You got everything over here that you can choose from, all the different categories for offers that you want to promote. So we're going to go up here, and for this example, we're going to use dog training, right? So I'm going to type in dog training in here. We're going to look for all of the products that are about dog training. So again, as we learned in the last video, you're going to want to look for something with a little bit of a higher gravity score. I usually aim to go above 50 on the gravity score. 30 is a good number that a lot of other people teach, but I like around the 50 range or even higher. I just like to, I believe in, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? The higher the gravity score, the better it's working for people, the better it will work for you. Okay, boom, perfect. Amazing gravity score right here, almost at 200. Average sale, $31.62. Let's check it out. Okay, so we go here. This is their affiliate page. Come on down here. So this is how you know it's actually a really good offer. You actually have to sign up and give them your email to be an affiliate partner. I'm actually already a partner with these guys because I promoted this offer here in the past. So what you're going to do is once you fill in your email and you're an affiliate partner, this is going to be your link right here, right? So you're going to do, you're just going to copy and paste this, and then you're going to put your Clickbank username in here. So for me, it would be Big Dad 1407. That would go right in here. We would replace this text right here. And then once you do that, you go ahead and you just copy the whole thing, and that is your affiliate link. So now you have your affiliate link, you have the product that you want. The next step is coming on over here, and what we're gonna do, so you're actually gonna go over to Facebook and you're gonna search dog training in groups. Now again, this could be woodworking, car repair, real estate, you know, whatever it is, whatever your niche is, whatever the product is that you wanna promote, you come over here and you look for it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through here and we're gonna look for groups. Specifically, you want to look for a group that is pretty big, large group, a lot of people, a lot of audience with a decent amount of posts every single day, right? Okay, so look at this one. This has got 10 posts a day. Positive dog training Colorado. Awesome. Like these people all want to know about positive dog training. That's awesome. That's what my offer is promoting. I live near Colorado. I live in Wyoming. So perfect. I'm going to join this group. And as you can see, I actually created a positive dog training page when I was promoting this offer. You don't have to do that. If you're going to run Facebook ads, though, it's recommended. But again, this method is the free way. You're going to get free traffic. You're not spending money on ads. You're not risking your own money on ads. So what we're going to do, we're going to join group as myself. Okay, please understand all these. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, you just answer the questions to get in the group. And we're not going to do that right now. Because I don't want to join any more dog groups, but this is what you would do. And you'd come through and you'd just find, 5 or 6 different groups that you want to participate in that, have a decent amount of posts a day. Like 20 to 10 range is good. 60 might be good. 340 is probably a little bit too much because that just means it's a really spammy group and nobody's going to see your content. So from here, you got your groups, you got your offer. Now, and you also have your links. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to come over here and you're going to go into ClickFunnels. And if you have it already, that's awesome. I'm glad you got it. That's perfect. If you don't, you can check the description below and download your free trial. And again, if you're not looking to, it's a 14-day free trial, and then it costs money after that. But if you're not looking to spend any money, you can do this method with just your link. However, I always recommend acquiring emails and building out funnels first. So here's what you're going to do. Once you have ClickFunnels, you're going to come in, you're going to edit the page, you're going to go in, you're going to build a landing page. And I believe this offer actually gave me the landing page. So that's a cool thing about affiliate offers. When they've got a good one, they'll give you pages, they'll give you stuff. So what we're going to do, we actually this button right here. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna show you guys ClickFunnels. Let's make this completely free. I'm changing this up mid-video. That's how real this is. Let's make this completely free. So you got your link again, right? Okay, so we got your link. You've got it over here. Came here, you grabbed your affiliate link right here. You got your new username in there. So you have the link. You have the link ready to go to the offer. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over into your Facebook groups, and here's what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna come over here as an example, Blake's partner program. This is amazing. This is something that I promote. It's not a Clickbank offer. It's actually another affiliate offer, a part of the program that I'm in. If you want to learn more about that, that is also in the description below. But anyway, I'm gonna come into this group, and here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna teach you the free Facebook strategy here a little bit. So you're gonna come over here to the search bar, and I just wanna show you guys that this works, right? So you're gonna come over here to the search bar. I'm gonna search in my name right now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look. So as you can see, that's me in here. I've got all kinds of different posts in here of me engaging, asking questions, posting pictures. A lot of this is actually me genuinely asking questions, but here you go. This is how you start driving traffic to your Facebook page. And this is how you start driving traffic to your funnel or your Clickbank offer. So let's take this post right here specifically, so you guys can see this works. It's got 63 different comments on it and over 80 interactions. So I just did a quick video post, kind of giving the review of the product and just kind of thanking Blake for such an amazing product. And it reached 63 different people. So could you imagine, look at this group, right? Let's see. Let's go to members. How many total members? We've got 2,000 total members in here, right? So let's head on over here. 2,000 total members. Could you imagine, guys, what it would be like if you were in a group that's got 100,000 people, what a post like that would do? It'd have 400 or 500 comments. And so kind of the posting strategy, right? Well, let's close this. Kind of the posting strategy. I'm just gonna do this on my own page right now so I don't interact on a Facebook page. But what you're gonna do is you've got that dog training offer, right? You've got all these people who are in here interested in dog training. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a post, and what you're gonna do is just, you wanna type something that's not super spammy, right? So my name is Joshua Smith, and I have an amazing puppy named Roxy. Roxy used to have potty issues, but not anymore. And then you can actually post a picture of your dog. This is actually my dog. Her name is Roxy. I'm not going to post a picture, but you come in here, and you just type something kind of telling about yourself, telling about, you have a dog, right? And then you say, I am so thankful for the amazing training that I found. If you'd like to learn more, comment on this post and introduce me to your pooch. So there you go. So basically what you're doing is you're incentivizing engagement, right? Look at this. You're explaining who you are, so it's not super spammy. You're explaining about your dog, how she used to have issues, but now she doesn't because you found this amazing training, right? And it helped solve the problem, because that's what you're really doing. You're coming in here and you're gonna help other people solve problems. You're not just gonna throw stuff at them and say, this is my offer, go to the link, blah, blah, blah. And you say, if you'd like to learn more, comment on this post and introduce me to your pooch. Bam. So you do that, you post a picture of your dog, and you start getting comments. Let's go back to my post over here, right? Close this again. Where are we? Joshua S. Smith. And right, we've got 63 comments on there, right? If you're asking people to comment, you're asking them to engage, right? They're going to do it. And then so every single person that engages, you send them a friend request. You respond to their post here. You send them a friend request, and then you send them a message like, "Hey, appreciate you engaging. If you'd love to learn more, I'd be glad to share with you." And then after you start the conversation, you share with them your affiliate link. So there you go. That's how you're getting traffic to your affiliate link. You're actually engaging in posting in Facebook groups, adding valuable content, and then you share your link with other people who are interested. And to take this even further, right, here's what you can do. So let's close this. I'm not actually going to post it. Did this post? What is this doing? No, I don't want to create this post. I want to delete this. I don't know how to delete this. I'm just going to close it. Anyway, that's something for later. But here's what you can do. So this is really cool. So you post stuff in your Facebook groups, right? And everybody's going to start engaging with you. They want to know more about you. So naturally they just go, oh, like, who's this guy? He just, made this great comment, or he added value in this way. Let's go check out his profile. And so they come here and they start looking at your profile, right? And if you set it up the right way, like you see here, this is for my business. People can click this. And what they do is they go there, or they can click here. And it's a link that actually takes them to my business, tells them more about my products or services. And what you can do is you can actually put your affiliate link right here. And say, help train your dog today with this amazing dog training or something. Click the link below to learn more about this amazing dog training that saved Roxy. So then you just put your affiliate link right in here. And again, I got another opportunity here. It's a cool little picture. You actually click it and bam, there's the link again. So that's just a quick little strategy on how to get even more traffic and value out of your Facebook page. Guys, if you want to learn more how to do this, I have a link below actually to my blueprint that walks you through step by step how to set up your Facebook account to look just like this. And then basically you're just going in and you're engaging in groups that have to do with whatever the offer it is. Again, rule of thumb here, don't be spammy. Don't just go posting your link everywhere. Actually put in valuable content that people will engage with. And when they start engaging with you, that's when you open up the conversation. That's when you move forward. So again, you need a Clickbank offer, right? Step one, go find a Clickbank offer that you like, that you want to promote. Step two, find matching Facebook groups that match up with that offer, request to join, get in about 5 to 6 of them. And then just start posting, introduce yourself, start going through, interacting with other posts. Somebody has a question like, oh man, my dog, pees all the time. I wish I had a great dog trainer. Interact with that. Be like, oh my gosh, I have an amazing dog trainer. It helped save my puppy Roxy from me wanting to kick her out of the house, like something like that. You just interact, you just add value, and you start building real relationships this way. Again, it's a little bit of work because you're not running paid ads, but if you want a free method, this is perfect for you. This is a way to get started. This is a way to start building your brand, building who you are, and interacting in the online community. So appreciate you guys. If you like this video, hit that bell notification, subscribe to the channel, go watch some other videos, and let's keep doing this thing together. I love you guys. I'm out.